Hello, Herschel.
Fish my dog. He's wearing a donut.
He's swole, too.
He's swole Herschel.
Alright, welcome back to the Wednesday follow-up. Joining me again is Adam, the boy.
The boy.
Or Boo, whatever you want to call him. He's not my Boo, but he's your Boo. Adam, we got some stuff to talk about.
Lots of stuff. Big announcements.
Big announcements. We might gloss over a few things, such as a few of the comments. I mean, we'll acknowledge people, but we gotta...
You gotta hurry this up this time, and it's not out of dislike for you, it's out of extra love, because we are doing more things for you, the subscriber.
First announcement, I think, should be what you're doing.
Okay, so I've actually turned my personal YouTube channel, which didn't have much activity at all, into a Means Woodshop sister channel, and this is now Means Music Shop, where you can listen to all of the music that you hear on Means Woodshop on my channel, Means Music Shop, which I still have a little bit of work to do, releasing some of the older music that I've made for it, but I'm pretty much going to be trying to maintaining the schedule of, after you hear the music on Means Woodshop, you should be able to hear it on Means Music Shop shortly thereafter. You know, like and subscribe there too if you just want a fuller Means Woodshop experience.
And I have linked those channels, so maybe for ease of access, you could just go to my channel page and it'll have Adam's there as a featured channel, and then you could go to that. It's an easy way to find it, or you could look up Means Music Shop. Adam's, I think, pretty much going to be in full control of that channel.
Yeah, there will be collaboration, of course.
Yeah.
We got the
pretty good
Japanese Hanshaw remix is coming up. I can only thank Gary for the idea for that. We just had a cat jump in front. I can't wait for you to hear it.
It is. The other announcement is last Wednesday, you made a joke about doing banana boat t-shirts. And I know Luke is on board.
Yeah.
I think somebody else said something. Adam, I appreciate having you on the channel with me. You forced me to do things.
You're not mad about it.
I'm not mad about it. I had a lot of fun with it. So, Means Woodshop now has an official merch store.
Hey!
Banana boat t-shirts. Banana boat coffee mugs.
Yeah.
Banana boat beach towels.
Banana boat everything.
Like, even phone cases. Other designs in there, aside from the banana boats. We got the Japanese Hanshaw.
Japanese Hanshaw shirt.
Japanese Hanshaw. Japanese Hanshaw. Japanese Hanshaw. Japanese Hanshaw.
Mugs and everything else.
Stickers. Deadly pallet wood. Regular Means Woodshop logo. Throwback to the old days where your dad burned on protection.
No, the super old days.
Yeah, and just so y'all know, as time goes on, I will continue making new designs and new stuff for the merch store. Herschel, you look all lonely over there.
Come here.
Yeah.
Come here, Herschel. Do you have any other big announcements? I mean, we got the Means Music Shop is up and running.
Means Music Shop.
Means Merch Shop is up and running.
It's been public for a couple days, but I haven't spread word about it yet because I've been in process of setting everything up. The merch store will be really cool. It'll be a really cool way to support what we're doing, and it'll be a cool way to just get some cool Means Woodshop swag.
Have the full Means Shop experience.
He's so dignified. He's got a lot of class. Friday's video was the bathroom cabinet.
Ah, yes.
And that was a new style of Means Woodshop video.
The Means Woodshop music video.
Generally well received all the way around. Adam, I think it's safe to say that we were probably kind of anticipating that song would go over pretty well.
Yeah, we were excited about making it. Dude.
And it was definitely a different experience with filming, because I went into the shop with that in mind, that it would primarily be more music than less talk.
It even pushed you a little bit more in the cinematography aspect of it.
Yes, which I think this channel needs. Don't imagine that I'll probably stop talking for every video, but
Nothing wrong with that.
stuff like that. Different experience, so it's not kind of the same type of thing over and over again. I had a question on how did I hang it from a different Craig.
Getting new Craigs.
We got a new Craig. I used a French cleat. There's a shot in the video where I run a piece of cedar through the blade at a 45-degree angle. One half of that board is screwed on to the back of the cabinet, the other half is screwed on the wall, and you just
It just grabs it like
Exactly like that. Mary and Kevin think that this is probably the best video to date.
Oh,
I think
yeah.
probably a lot of that is because of the musical aspect. to
And the
it.
editing, yeah.
And I mean the editing, the slow-mo shots.
The slow-mo shots were my favorite.
It was a lot of fun to do. Gary really liked it. But Gary did have a question as well. He saw a pallet on the side of the road and he thought about picking it up, but he's scared that since his balls are in my shop, that he might not have the immunity from pallet wood. I was thinking that since Gary's disdain for pallet wood is emitted through those balls, that he himself has like all the power inside.
He's the source.
Yeah,
of
you're the
power.
source,
It's just
Gary,
transmitted to your balls. Do you think Gary is actually Harry?
Are you Harry, Gary?
Are you Harry? Gary?
Last Wednesday, we talked about a lot of stuff. Yeah, the question last week was suggestions for future Meets Woodshop projects. Luke was very specific about a Spartan shield, like metal display. I said reference pictures, Luke.
Yeah, you'll have to ask him via the internet, not in real life.
Not in person or anything. My dad suggested something with bamboo.
Are y'all recording?
Yes.
Oh, I found some dad burn architecture.
Dude, we're your dad burn. Oh, we're your dad burn eye protection.
Or my dad burn eye protection.
Yeah, eye
all day,
protection.
every day.
And there is a dad burn eye protection shirt. And he wants a project with bamboo. Dad, you need to take me to your bamboo location. Mary, I don't know how I missed your comment. I'm sorry, Mary. Mary said, how about building a guitar? She said, before I say no, check out Tim Sway's channel. I have watched Tim Sway's channel. Me and Adam have talked about guitar building quite a bit.
The issue with making guitars is that there's a whole lot of precision mathematics that go into it. And
Maybe in the future, when I get more experience under my belt. Mary asked if I play guitar as well. I do, Mary.
Yes.
My music video on this channel, I wrote that song in the rhythm for. I do okay at rhythm. I can't do the fancy stuff.
you're a good songwriter too.
It's mostly like acoustic rhythm and singing over it. Kevin and Gary were making jokes about all the rules that we break on this channel, like painting walnut and using pallet wood. He suggested making some Lincoln logs or a dice tray. I am going to do the dice tray, Kevin. I bought some adhesive back felt. Dovetails! You talk about dovetails, and any woodworker out there is just like, oh, dovetails. I love dovetails so much. Gary says this. There's this channel, there's this madness.
Yeah, being serious is forbidden. We just like to share our typical brand of humor. Everything you see on the show, our banter between each other, is 100% completely genuine. It's our sense of humor.
Yeah.
We're not putting on any.
Yeah,
Are we
airs. Are we stupid?
I think we're stupid. That's
Are we
probably
idiots?
it. But hey, y'all love it.
And Herschel loves this too.
Yeah, he does.
Oh, we forgot about the other thing, the camp out.
Oh yeah, the camp out. We can talk about it now.
We've mentioned the camp out a few times in a few videos, and I think we're both in agreement on that. Might be something that will take place more in the future, but kind of, I think it started out as kind of a joke, sort of, like the banana boat shirts,
Yeah.
which is now a reality.
All jokes become reality.
But I think the more we discuss it, we kind of do want to do a camp out meetup. And ideally, for me, I would like to get some more subscribers. I would really like to get over that 1,000 subscriber mark. But we want to do it, and we want to plan in advance. So we're thinking, right, Beavers Bend, Oklahoma, for the location.
It's right outside of Broken Bow, Oklahoma. Beavers Bend is it's not a state park. It's like privately owned, but it's really nice.
It is very nice, and there's lots of pretty scenery. There's lots of stuff to do, and it wouldn't be nothing like real fancy or crazy. You could just come hang out with us, meet me and the boy, just chill, have a good time, sit around the campfire, talk about woodworking or not woodworking. Those are our big announcements. I guess the 3 big announcements. I forgot to think of the weekly question.
Oh no!
I did good. The last couple weeks I've done good. Hirsch will think of something.
He is put on the spot, you can tell. How about a weekly question from you and I apiece?
Sure.
Yeah. My weekly question this week is, what are some of your, or I guess if you could pick a favorite genre of music, i.e. maybe one that you would like to see in a Means Woodshop video, what would it be? Let me know in the comments.
Heyo. if I were to remake an old Means Woodshop project today, which would be, it would probably be better in quality and the video would probably be better. What old project would you all like me to revisit? That's what I want to know.
Doghouse.
That's not an old project.
Make a doghouse for Herschel.
It's not an old project. But I think that is all we've got for today. The announcements, there will be a link to his channel in the merch shop down below. And if you have any ideas to help us collaborate on setting up a Means Woodshop camp out, you can contribute to that as well.
It's everything.
Everything. I will catch you on Friday.
Stay tuned. Stay mean. We'll see you on the next adventure.
On the next project.
The next project.
Or on the next couch. Or shop. Or backyard.